Hi guys, it's me. So today I'm going to be opening this box that I got this morning. It's 4 Rubik's Cube from eBay. So let's open that that box. So here we have the Rubick. Okay, we have that half of a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, but is a minion version. Oh, but this cube not even done. Like, if you got an idea how to make a 2x2, tell me at the fastest you can. And we have, guys, what the? Oh, is I never see that before. Okay, nice. So, tell me what is your favorite puzzle? Pyramids, 2x2, this cube, and this man. So mine is the pyramids. I like pyramids. So don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button and watch my videos. And yeah, I'm going to sleep in not so long, so I'm pretty tired. So let's just play a little bit with that cube. Oh my gosh, I never really touched to that cube. No one of my friends have one. Okay, I give you a trick. The trick of this cube is you always do nothing. You just all mix it all around, and look, I just got it. So yeah. So this cube you need a technique, and this cube you really need a technique, and this cube you don't even need nothing. It's the easiest puzzle after the 2x2 pyramids. Yeah. Why? Because it's the real easiest. So thank you and subscribe.